kilai tuli ki Hima bakan thup ya ka Hima jirang, Hima nongspung, Hima melim, kila Pynlong ya ka jingialang ban ya thir ya thain bha. Iadei bat ka memorandum of understanding lani ka MOU ka badang shiadap soi hapadeng ki ar menteri rang ba jo ka jilla Meghalaya bat jong ka jilla Assam, iadei bat ka jingya pen bet pot. Ya kate ka jingialang la Pynlong menta ka singi ka ar tarik uyayong ar hajar ar pu ar, ha opes trekam jo ka raj marwan ka badon ha khandai mer baridwa. Hakaba hakani ka jingialang la poi benya shimbenta lang da usiem ka Hima jirang upa im RH walang u secretary ka Hima nongspung uba i maulong ubasan nongkse Hima melim uba Nathan thank you usiem ka raj marwet upa im kems im kirang bashnong ki kunhon seng bhalang bakun thup ya ka Meghalaya People Social Organization MPSO Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization Hito, ko all Ribhoy Garo Mahila Association, Garo Students Union, bad unongya sad an, balarang ba hakajala, ba Erwin Sutnga.
Or MDC, you become the people who choose the government. Okay, now today what has happened? They have gone ahead and signed the MOU, saying that, oh, we have consulted, we have taken papers. But why have you ignored the basic fact that the constitutional position must be clarified? Two eminent jurists, eminent senior advocates, L.M. Singhvi and B.M. Kapoor, in their opinion rendered when the Chandrachur Committee was in session on the interstate boundary, they have said this question cannot be decided by a committee. Okay, Chandrachur went against us. He's saying, no, it's a constitutional question. How is it a constitutional question? The question has to be decided under Article 131 of the Constitution. Prior to that, V.M. Karkunde has said that you have to go under Article 263 to the President of India. Let him put an interstate boundary, an interstate council. Now they'll be saying that, oh, why should we go to Supreme Court? Bale ye mention Supreme Court. They have gone to the Supreme Court. The mother of our Basan, in writ petition civil number 672/2021, they have gone, but as private parties. The Supreme Court has admitted this writ petition. This writ petition is on the disputed area. The opinion of Karkunde is that it is only the Supreme Court which has jurisdiction in a matter of dispute of land regarding the boundary of two states. Therefore, Basan, I appreciate that you have gone. You have put the first nail, which is building the ladder for our rights. If you had not gone to Supreme Court, this matter we can say it is a closed matter. But now, since you have opened the door, what is the way out? Way out is this meeting today. The CM of Jirang is here, Nongspung is here, Highway is here, the landowners are here, the social organizations, NGOs are here, the elders are here, the landowners are here.
Te invite lang ikiniki Hima majan bro. Te kila wan mukil kesyo ini juga kita kau nilai kisahnya ki Hima majan. Te kau nak kruing ina ikan dum nak sih hanya apa fish kejungi. Te kisah kedua dengan kembali dengan persyaratan ino MOU hading kuat dan baka sarkar benar bahkan baik kita juga desain juga MOU. Te ada kalah te ban ribuk sendan kita juga MOU. Jumut jenis kalau mentah. Te bat bar kalau ba min pha kan thoi sa ka deposit nama kan ke traditional head de maka te bahkan lit ya kan kam kajaya put ke te nama hane ba kibun ki jungi ki shakta kan ki na system ko mai khuli apa kana para kita jika ki shakta ka to ka jaka ki ong ba kana le saka sampung ka to ka chon ha MOU teknik memang seturut ilaya sekiai kata tekila ayawan lang hene kru ni lang kan ni lang te kathai ba kan ka jirang jungi mata dengan pak sa government kun toy itu de ai nak long ka ba sesok kana kana kam